When I was in law school in 1991, there was no opportunity such as the diversity clerkship program. I can recall that there was one employer that interviewed all of the diverse students in UW-Madison, and we were all fighting and scrambling for that one position. The diversity clerkship program was created over 20 years ago. We've had over 60 employers participate, and we've had 450 students that have gone through the program. The diversity clerkship program is available to 1L students, both from UW-Madison and Marquette Law Schools. It's an opportunity for them to have a paid summer internship where they experience what it's like to be a lawyer in a real-life practice setting.
Advisor or professor gave me information about the diversity clerkship program. I read through the information, I submitted my application, and I was lucky to be accepted.
I applied and was selected as one of the candidates, and then got to do the 2-day interview process in Milwaukee and Madison, doing roughly 24 interviews of some of the employers hired people in both cities.
Employers gain perspective in terms of what the level of diversity is within the incoming student class. They often see the level of talent and the caliber of talent that's available when they interview the students the next year.
I was introduced to the program by an Asian American attorney in our office. To be honest, I may not have thought of it myself, but the message is we need to listen and we need to say yes, and doors will be opened.
My law firm, Boardman & Clark, was recently honored for its long-term participation in the diversity clerkship program. We've been a part of the program since the beginning 25 years ago, and so have I. In fact, it was the first program that I participated in as a young lawyer where I gave back to the legal community.
When the students first come in, I try to let them know that, hey, back in 2000, I was you, so I can relate to you. And for them, it kind of, there's kind of like an emotional release. They seem more comfortable, right away talking to me about it.
They're aware of the issues that we're facing. They have to research laws, regulations in certain states with respect to this business problem that we're facing. And they present to us, what their solutions would be. And obviously with oversight, and then we present it to our business partners.
Every single one of them has a solid work ethic. It's students who really want to get the most that they can out of the experience, and the benefit of that is they give you as an employer a lot in return. If the clerk wants to learn a lot and wants to give you a good quality product of whatever you ask them to help you with, you're going to get a lot in return because they're so committed.
Diversity in the legal profession is very important. The demographics have been changing, and we've seen that there are a lot more diverse lawyers in the legal profession. We also, unfortunately, see that it doesn't translate all the time to the ranks of the legal profession. And so we want to see a cross-section if we, as a society, want to be confident that our justice system is fair and impartial and represents all of us.
I realize the importance of the program to the firm itself. Having the opportunity to incorporate diverse aspiring attorneys into our law firm has impacted our culture, has enriched our culture. So much so that I think as long as there's a diversity clerkship program, Boardman & Clark will be a part of it.
I don't come from any type of privilege. I come from a single parent household, and it was about a lot of hard work and effort. And what I think this program has provided is it's given me the opportunity. Sometimes you can have the hard work and effort, but you don't have like that one opportunity, where you can just take off and soar. The diversity clerkship program gave me that opportunity where I was able, to take off and soar. And for me, it gives me great pleasure. Heartfelt pleasure to be able to do the same thing for someone else. So I'm always going to be an active, compassionate person about this program because I know what it did for my own life. And I want to provide that to other law students.